Alright, people. I didn't even know this was here. I was busy taking off some calipers off of a G37S, man. Those are money makers. Anyways, yeah, man, I spotted this as I was about to leave. I was like, from way over there, right? I don't know if you can see my tools over there, but I said, what the heck is that? Walked over here, I was like, damn, a freaking convertible, man. Check this out. Cadillac convertible. I ain't got my damn light on. No. But yeah, freaking Cadillac convertible, man. Wish I could take this thing off of bright mode. It says bright mode is automatically turned. Anyways, alright. I mean, overall it looks pretty straight. This is another abandoned project. At least a DeVille, right? I think you can see the VIN on it, right? Can you see the VIN there? I don't know if you can. Let me call it out. That F9286467. They're doing some body work to it. Some of the door panels and such are on the. They were going to that gator. Well, here's the bumpers for it, front and rear. It's a dash pad. There's the lower part of the front power bench. These are, you know, power. Pretty sure power locks. Pretty sure, yeah, power locks, power windows, tilt and telescoping steering wheel. You can tell that. See what the. Found this here too. It's a Husky Stanley, a 19. Let's see if I can get this off. Gotta hurry up, man. You guys are gonna start hearing the infamous horn from this yard. You see that? Gotta be careful when you're trying to move fast through here. End up getting sliced and diced. Yeah. That's a clock, I believe, right now. She had rusty floors though, as you can see. Man, I wonder if this will work on my 70 not Bonneville, Pontiac Executive. Kind of like Bonneville, anyways. I wonder if and I wonder if that glass would work, because I know the convertible, like the convertible 70 Bonnevilles, will work. I don't know about a 69. I don't know if this would. Man, I know it's a C body and mine's a B body, but. Other than that, there's, you know, I see some bezels in there, headlights. I think that might be about it here. Oh, obviously the convertible top's still here. I don't know what shape it's in, but it's still there. All the glass, except the all the glass except the windshield. In the trunk. More junk in the trunk. This would have been the original deal there. Motley Crew. Alright. A little bit of damage on, but got 3 of them. I think that's about it. See door panel. Yeah, I had that poke, man. Poke audio. Underneath. Oh man. Can't really see much. I don't know what y'all can see. I can't get over there. It's all muddy on that side. Oh yeah, there's a grill for it. I don't know what shape it's in. Don't look too bad. There's some more pieces back here. Man, I bet some Cadillac guys would. Man, we're looking for some of this stuff. Oh man, this is what it was my ass. And of course, under the hood, we got that big old honking Caddy engine. What is it, 472, I think? Is it 472? It's 69, I think it's 70. They go to the bigger engine. Ow, ow, ow. Ugh. She's all there, though. Oh, man, I'm getting... Oh, this. Let's see if that... Oh, that oil. I can't tell too well. But man, I think these things had a mountain of torque, boy. Ow, ow, ow. Ugh. Oh man, I'm getting. Give me a second, man. Damn. Ugh. Sorry, I was using my back to hold this thing up, and it was just catching me up under there. But oh, she does got disc brakes too. I could see them, but this side, I think it's missing a caliper on that side. I don't know about the other side. Well, what did I get here? 7.5 minutes. I don't know, man. Still though, I bet there's still some good stuff on it, on this car. That I might be interested in that, the lower part of that front bench. Just swap out the power mechanism, you know, the motors and all that deal. Might work on my car. I already have disc brakes. Wonder about that window. Damn. Anything else? I don't know. I got so many engines, man. Well, I won't be here tomorrow. I'll be out of town, so I just thought I'd get a quick one of this one, you know. Alright guys, on to the next one.